Welcome to Libra Computers, where learning is fun. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the outline view in PowerPoint, how to enter new slide and contents in outline view, making multiple selection of the text, moving the text, and expanding and collapsing slides in outline view. So, what is outline view in PowerPoint? It is a type of view we can use in PowerPoint which shows just the text in the presentation. It helps to focus on ideas and words rather than colors and graphics. You can easily create an entire presentation by pasting your existing project outline from a Word document in the outline pane. Now, let's begin. Open a new presentation. Go to View tab, and select Outline View from the options available. In this view, you have an outline pane, the slide section and an area to add notes if you like. Click in the outline pane in order to enter text. Click on Control key and Enter key to go to the next placeholder or line. Click on Control key and Enter key to go to the next slide. Once again, click on Control key and Enter key to go to the next line. You can now copy the project from the Word document and paste in the outline view. The bullets are automatically entered. You can change the bullet style as shown in the previous lesson. You can click on Enter to add additional points or text in the slide. Repeat the same process for the next slide. In case of normal selection, it is not possible to select texts that are not continuous or random. This doesn't imply that it's impossible. To select multiple texts, select the first line. Then click on Control key and hold it as you select the remaining text. Leave the Control key only after selection is complete. You can now format it the way you like. You can move lines or sentences by clicking on the sentence and then dragging it to its destination. A faint gray line will show you where the sentence will be placed. You can right-click and collapse a slide you currently do not wish to work on. You can also reverse this. Simply right-click on the slide again, and select Expand. You can also collapse the entire presentation and expand it when need be. Select Collapse All, or Expand All. By doing this, content of the slide will remain but will not be visible in the outline pane. Time for a short recap. First, go to View tab and select Outline View. Click in the outline pane to enter text. Click on Ctrl+ Enter for a new slide. Click on Ctrl+ Enter for a new line or placeholder. Click on Enter to add text on the next line of the same slide. Click on the Control key to make multiple selection of texts placed in random places. Select a sentence and drag them to move to a different location or position. To collapse a slide, select the slide, right-click, and select Collapse. To expand a slide, select the slide, right-click, and select Expand. To collapse a presentation, select the slide, right-click, and select Collapse All. To expand a presentation, select the slide, right-click, and select Expand All. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.